episode of the Food Bloggers Kitchen. We are in crunch time. This is like the last few days until Thanksgiving. I have to say Christmas. Thanksgiving. I'm going to be making my chocolate pecan cookies. Let's go over ingredients. We get started. In this bowl, I have some flour, powdered sugar, salt, and I have some softened butter to room temperature, some chopped pecans, and then some vanilla extract. And I have some coarse kosher salt. And then for the topping, I have some chocolate, dark chocolate, and heavy cream. And I also have 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a chop really quickly. Guys, Thanksgiving is like right here, okay? And so I want to tell you, like, I'm using like high quality chocolate. I'm using Ghirardelli, but if you don't have that, don't go to the store last minute and get that. This is just kind of just to kind of give you something. Like I said, if you already have some kind of chocolate at the house, just use that. You don't have to use what I'm using. So I'm gonna get this chopped up real quick, and I'll be right back. All right. So okay, I was mixing this for about 5 minutes. This is the same recipe as my shortbread base from my cheesecake video, my lemon strawberry cheesecakes. Squares, and so I whipped this up for about 5 minutes. And also I forgot to mention to you that I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of my flour in here. And so I was thinking, guys, like I did like a little Instagram story talking about just the last couple of things that I wanted to share with you. I did say pie, but I thought about this and I thought it might be quicker. And if you're a baker like me, you might already have some of these things in your in your pantry. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this first half in, and then I'll add the second half. I just switched to my little spatula here. Just gonna kind of work this in. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my cup of pecans in here, guys. The mixture of pecans and chocolate is like the best spirit you can ever have. Okay, it's like the best. My sisters and I, we talk about the spirit around here. Of course, we Christians around here, but you know, I make jokes about it's an inside joke. I have to explain it on like a post or something like that. But there's some spirit in these cookies, okay? So like I said, this is the same shortbread cookies, or shortbread base, I should say, for my strawberry lemonade cheesecake bars. Ooh, so good. Also, if you look right here, I have a big sheet of like plastic wrap right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in the plastic wrap, roll it into like a log. I'll show you that in a second. And I'll put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Or if you want to put them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, it's either or. So, but I want to get my cookies right now. So I'm going to put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. And then we'll slice and bake them. Okay, so my cookie dough, if you look over here, my cookie dough is done. It was sitting for a little bit more than 10 minutes, about 15 minutes. And so I have my chocolate sauce right here. What I did is I just got some chocolate, of course, and I heated up my cream. I'm going to show you a little video right here so you can see it. And so watch it real quick. Okay, so that's how you make it. Very simple. I kind of like love like those little snippets, you know, of how to make it. Makes it quick and easy. So, all right, I'm gonna set that to the side because that's what needs to set up. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to just slice my cookies, slice them like so, and then just put them on your little cookie sheet. That's all you do, and I want to bake these just until like they're nice and kind of like golden brown on the bottom. And I'll show you like once we get there. So they baked for 22 minutes to be exact, and I just had them like sitting on a cooling rack for a little bit. You want to kind of do this like while it's still hot, especially the powdered sugar ones. So talk about that for a second. So I have a bowl of powdered sugar right here, and all I did was just kind of toss the cookies in there. I like quite a bit of powdered sugar. You can do as much as you want, but I love it. Close, come here. I love like the little look of it. Kind of reminds me of like one of those snowball cookies, but I'm really excited about it. So. Okay, so I wanted to wait to show you like this last two. So all I do is I'll just get like a little bit of the chocolate ganache, spread it on top. If you wanted to drip it down, it can, but you don't have to. I like doing just like that because it's going to set up real nice, and then it's going to get all thick and stuff. And while it's still kind of fluid, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of kosher salt on top. Woo 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 if you like that. I like a little, little salt bake actually, you know what I'm saying? And then I want to go ahead and put this last one, side of powdered sugar, get a little close for them. You can see the nice action. That's a really, so like these are still a little bit warm, so make sure you be very careful. So just kind of like do it just like that and pat it off just a little bit. But that's really it, guys. That's exactly how you make my pecan shortbread cookies. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick and I'll give it a taste test. Alrighty, I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the powdered sugar one. I'm gonna let the chocolate one set up later. I'm gonna eat it later. So. Look at all them pecans in there. It's like the first thing I get. So good. And the shortbread is like really like buttery, and it's like nice and kind of crispy, like a regular shortbread should be. This is not no regular shortbread. This is like way up there, way up in the spirit. The recipe should be on my page right now. I'm sorry, this is so good. I hope you give it a try, and it's on your holiday table, and I'll see you guys next time in the Footballer's Kitchen.